Hello. I actually discovered this recently. A group of, maybe it's the same person, maybe it's two people doing it, but there are people grabbing and taking what seems like tweaks and other garbage stuff that's on the internet, and they're just grabbing it. They're just grabbing all this, like stuff here that's like what people are trying to sell this crap, and they're just grabbing it, like all these garbage tweaks, all this garbage like crap, and they're just like grabbing it. Like, here, let me it might actually be the same person doing it, but here on GitHub it's I can't believe, like, I hope this video does get like attention if like the original owners go like, "Hey, we're the ones doing this." Like, honestly, I'm so happy that people are doing, like, I'm so happy people are doing this because it to me, this shows that like people don't want to buy this shit. They don't want to. And it's so funny because here, look. All right. I'm here it is. But what the fuck? Why do you name yourself? I know, post it up, so put the code for bot. Okay. It's so I don't know. It's really funny just to see all these guys like just kind of grab this stuff and fork it, or grab it and just not really fork it, but just yeah, it's a Ghostbuster ripoff. Even the post installer. Yeah, I'm so happy these guys have like just took all these like garbage tweaks that are out there and just started ripping all of them, because it makes me so happy just seeing all this stuff, because it really is the ultimate fuck you to a lot of these people that just sit here and just profit off of dumb people who don't know anything about computers, or they're just, hey, they just want an edge, a competitive edge in a game. And then you have people who are, you know, man children who are running these tweak stuff, and they're selling them. And here with Atom OS, I really want to sit down and just take an ISO like flash drive and just start testing it on, because I have a machine that's actually behind me that I want to sit down and just start testing these ISOs just for the sake of it, of like, are they actually doing anything? Like, are they are they actually doing anything? Like, the ultimate edition here, see, look, get premium. It's a subscription. Like, all this garbage for like a subscription. Payment methods. See, look. So this is how they do. So they do PayPal, gift cards. You have to basically pay through them on Discord, which is, to me, that's already a red flag. Like, to me, that's like, okay, uh I don't want to give you any money. I don't want to give you any money. Like, standard Windows. Like, guys, if you want an optimized version of Windows, I can show you. Like, you want an optimized version of Windows. Guys, here it is. It's called IoT Enterprise. I'm running it now. It is fine. Like, come on, guys. Like, IoT Enterprise. Literally, you can use it. Grab the file here. It's literally right here. You can literally grab it from Musgrave here and run IoT Enterprise, and then grab and then use the activation right here and activate it. Easy. There you go. And then just run a Chris Titus text script, or run a Windows Defender, and then remove Windows Defender if you don't want it. There you go. You don't need to install this sketchy shit from these fucking man children. It's so stupid. Like, just grab IoT Enterprise. That's it. Don't download this shit, because you're putting your fucking you're putting your faith into people who most likely have a backdoor into place. And if they don't, and they're just trying to sell their stuff, these people right here deserve all of support and praise, because they deserve it. They deserve all of it because they're just grabbing all this stuff and just posting on here for free for you to look at. And this is also recent too. Like all this, it's fairly recent. Like all these people that are like grabbing this and forking it, or see, look, they even like call shitty fork of Atlas OS with a shit ton of random tweaking regedit and batch files, and they're hosting all these ISOs just for you to grab anyway if you want to grab them, because maybe you don't want to pay that person, and I don't want to pay that person. I'm not doing it for the sake of a video. I'm not paying for fucking for people to do all this other stuff. I have no idea what this is, but I'm just over here reading and looking at all this stuff. Look at this. Animalist. Shitty ISO made by a retard with a shit ton of random regedit and batch files. It is, oh my god, it is great. And they're just hosting the ultimate version here. Oh my god, it is so funny just seeing these people just tear into these fucking people because I'm not the one doing it. I'm just bringing attention to it. Hold on, let's go to this one. Very shitty server ISO based on a build from 2022. Yeah, oh my god, these I love these people already. All right, what's this one? Okay, nothing. Let's go to up here. What's this one say? Damn it. Okay. I really want to like look at all this stuff and just read these people just saying pasted post installer from copy and pasted post installer from GG and Atlas OS. Is it actually like, oh my god, yeah, it is. Oh my god. It's literally the same stuff that's copied and pasted. These guys are fucking nuts, just ripping into these people. These people have no shame. They do okay, they do anything. Very basic tweet launcher improvement should be expected, but it's a free utility. Why isn't it an open source? I get obfuscating something that is paid. Why? But why something is that free? I mean, you're giving it for free, so why not have the code available? Either way, problem solved. Good idea, honestly. Like, why would you hide a free utility and not open source it? Like, it's just because people like that, they want to know what are they installing on their computer. Even myself, I want to know what I'm putting on my computer. If you're gonna purposely hide all this crap from me, then that's sketchy to me. That's so sketchy to me because these people they run these fucking scripts or whatever, not knowing what they're doing. Extremely basic tweaks now, but at least they aren't bad like last time. I haven't leaked a Fox OS script in a while soft new release felt like it. Okay, yeah. Very okay. He's saying it's very basic, and I mean, I'm looking at this stuff, and I'm like, I've definitely have seen all this stuff before. Like I've seen it before. I'm gonna tell you something that a lot of people don't tell you on the internet is that most of these Windows tweakers, they copy and paste and steal each other's work all the time. They do they steal each other's work. They copy and paste and steal each other's shit. It's it's hilarious because they go and try to sell you a package like, hold on, let's go to the pricing. They try to sell you a package like this, which is a fucking subscription service, by the way, in a world where we don't need any more subscription services, and they're just trying to sell this crap to you anyway. It's so stupid. Like they're only showing Discord users it because I guess that's where they do it. So it's basically they're taking what Atlas OS did because of how popular it was and just ripping it off completely and doing a subscription. Here, let's do Atlas OS. I haven't really seen Atlas. Like Atlas OS to me was it became so popular because of that Linus Tech Tips video that he just covered it, and I think that's, and then people are like, oh let's uh let's copy off of this. Sorry, my brain just completely had a brain fart. See, look, all of these people that are pro who uses Atlas OS and wants to get started, get in touch. So a lot of these pro like Twitch streamers are they have kind of their faces all over Atlas OS because it is to me it's the only like actual custom tool that's not an it's not an ISO. It used to be back in the day. It used to be an ISO, which they're still actually floating around, and you could actually still use it if you have the ISO file. That is, but there, I am actually like I'm not. I actually don't hate the Atlas project like at all. A lot of people, I know there's some people that actually ask me about it, but I don't hate the project. I think it's actually a pretty decent project. Same thing with other projects like I know Revision has also moved over to they've also moved over to playbooks as well. See, look, Revision OS they've moved over to playbooks as well because they used to do ISOs as well, but now they no longer do ISO. So they have an install guide. They have a let's go to like a post install guide. They have a lot of they do have a lot of stuff, and I do like that because I don't know, just revision OS. If you want to have a custom like IS like if you want to have a tweaking thing that's quite easy and actually isn't probably run by man children, these two, Revision OS and Atlas OS, are the ones that I recommend using because they aren't run by man children that are gonna try to do stuff to you, God knowing what, because they're I don't know. It's just these people are it's always something for financial gain. They always find a grift or something that they use for financial gain. They're always trying to find ways to make money and a quick buck on people who don't know a damn thing about computers. That's what it is. They get help from I don't know why you would want tech support help from Discord. I don't understand that. I mean, I get it. It's a little bit more personal because you get to speak with someone IRL, but not IRL, but you know what I mean. You get to speak with someone, but they. I'm just gonna go down this scenario right here. So, say you're someone who okay, you get a new computer. You're like, okay, my games are stuttering. I don't know what to do. Oh, these tweaking packages and stuff. Oh, they make my computer better. Let me go pay someone. People actually do that. They actually will sit down and they will pay a random person that they don't know or don't even trust who says that his years of quote unquote research for them or saying quote unquote oh my tweaks are from research, which is clearly stolen from Atlas OS and other projects that are better and don't try to force some sort of subscription down your throat and are just open source projects that people do on their free time, basically. Which, to me, it's an incredible thing that they are doing. But you have people that are taking that and are creating a whole business out of it. Another grift, basically, that they can use and sort of exploit people who aren't computer illiterate. Honestly, I think this stuff right here, all this, like, just this is a grift that people are using, and it sets a very dangerous. Uh, it's very dangerous. That's all I'm gonna say, and it's probably why a lot of people are being pushed away from just Windows in general. Is stuff like this. This is what pushed me kind of away from doing all this like Windows like tweaking videos is because I saw yes the views, seeing all the views and stuff. It makes you happy, but at the same time, you're taking advantage of people who don't know anything, think their computer's broken, and they go and try to get guides online. I'm going to tell you something. The best thing that you can do for your computer is just upgrade it. Hardware and software is constantly evolving and going to become stagnant. It's just the nature of things. No tweaks from some man child that you meet on Discord. It's not going to solve your problems. That's all I'm going to say. And if you hate me for that, for calling these tweakers man child children, I don't give a fuck. I really don't care. It's a grift. I get it. And I understand the hustle. But it sets a very, very, very dangerous thing for people who are just now getting into computers and PCs and want to get away from console subscriptions, and they go to PC and they're like, okay, I think my PC's broken, and then they go and see shit like this. That's all I'm gonna say. And to these people right here that are grabbing all this stuff and just uploading it for free, open source on GitHub, thank you. Because without you, we probably weren't able to see what tweaks they are using and understanding what they're doing behind the scenes. Because a lot more people need to know what is being run on their computer instead of trusting someone who isn't going to give you the source code. Because having closed source that is tweaking your computer, quote unquote, disabling security features that are needed in modern day because the amount of hacks that are going on right now and the amount of data breaches that are happening, it is scary. That's all I'm gonna say. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed.